It's a new knife day, gang. My name is Mike with My Real Estate Dojo, and today I'm going to be unboxing a Ultratech Bronze full serration OTF knife that I got from Microtech. Okay, so basically you get this little pamphlet, and there's not much to it besides the knife in a plastic bag. So let me clear this stuff away, and I'll show you the knife. Now, one of the reasons I got this version is because, you know, it is bronze, and I don't have one in my collections that were bronze, okay? Now, it may not look bronze in the light here, but it is bronze color. It's a little brownish color. Now, let me put this disclaimer out there. I bought this knife with my own money. This is not sponsored by Microtech. This is not a loaner from a knife company or anyone else. I forked over the money to get this. This one cost me $357 plus tax plus shipping. This is my own money, so I'm going to give it to you straight. Now, I did get the Tanto blade. You can see that it is bronze, full serration. Okay, it does have the Microtech logo. It is M390. Okay, let me see if I can zoom in a little bit for you guys to take a good look at it. There you go. Okay, and it really is a beautiful knife. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you. Now I've owned a lot of different Microtechs. I also own, you know, at least at this time, like 6 different Ultratechs. When I first got into the knife world, I bought a Ultratech. I actually bought 3 of them, and 2 of them broke immediately. And one of them I sent into Microtech 4 times, and they never were able to fix it. 3 or 4 times, and they were never able to fix it. So I ended up selling it for a big loss. So after that, I didn't like Microtechs anymore. And I ended up buying a lot of knives from a lot of different companies. And eventually I started coming back to Microtech because I bought a fixed blade. I bought 2 different fixed blades, and I started loving it. For example, I bought this SBD, right? Microtech Borka SBD is a beautiful blade, right? So anyways, I bought, you know, a couple of fixed blades from them, and I really liked it, so I got back into Microtechs again. Okay, so I bought this one. This is the Ultratech Bronze series because I didn't have a bronze, and I just want to see how it was. Okay, now on a scale of 1 to 10, this thing is a 10. It surely is a beautiful thing. And one of the reasons I bought more Ultratechs, even though I didn't like Ultratechs, is because you know, they're super light. They're super carryable. They're not really big. So when you put it in your pants, you totally forget that you have it, right? You totally forget that you have it, and which is awesome because when you carry this every day, you do notice it. Or whenever you carry, for example, a bigger blade like a Trudon, you kind of notice it versus the Ultratech, right? Or when you carry, for example, a Direct Delta, you kind of notice it. Even though all these knives are super light, when you put an Ultratech in your pocket, it kind of like melts away, okay? And that's one of the things I like about the Ultratech is that.
Real quick, download my free book, Real Estate Investing for Beginners, the ultimate starter guide at myrealestatedojo.com, where I teach you how to find motivated sellers, buy their homes at a deep discount, and then have the seller become your own private bank. Subject to, get it now. One more thing, if you're looking for private one-on-one help when it comes to real estate investing, then consider joining my academy where you sit down with me one-on-one. 2, you get monthly coaching. 3, you get access to my best-selling courses. 4, you get access to my video library, and then the list goes on for just $97 a month. Join me now at MrNoFluff.com. Lastly, the best 6-figure side hustle, bicycle flipping. Want to see how? Here's a behind-the-scene video how I did it. Go to thebestsidehustle.mrnofluff.com. Now let's get back to the content.
Is that it is very concealable. It's very easy to carry, and you know, you kind of like forget about it, even if you're just wearing, you know, gym clothes or something like that. Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 10, I give this knife a 10. I just recently got it. I just opened it, so I haven't test tried it, so I can't speak about the durability or the liability of it. But you know, not liability, but durability of it. But in the sense of looks, it looks really, really beautiful. So let me know your thoughts about this, guys. If you like the Tanto serration, if you like the bronze, okay. If you want to compare that to, let's say, one that has, see, I don't know if you can, now you can see, this one has stone wash. This is the Ultratech Sidestep. So one has stone wash and one has bronze, and you can definitely tell the difference when you have it side by side, that the bronze really comes through pretty nice, you know? Check it out. All right, if you guys have any questions about this, this one's the Signature Series. This is just, you know, bronze hardware, which costs a little bit more. The Signature Series costs about $100 more than the standard Ultratechs. But again, this is a Microtech Ultratech Bronze full serration Tanto. Just got a first impression, and on a scale of 1 to 10, I give it a 10. And I'll keep you guys updated. It fits really good in the hand, but I'll carry it and I'll give you a long-term review once I carry it a lot more. If you have any questions about the Microtech Ultratech Bronze series, I'll be happy to answer your question. Leave a comment below. Always remember, you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you ever imagined. Romy. Peace.